All right, guys. So to say that I got my butt whooped by this washing machine would be a drastic understatement. Look at me cockily plugging in that washing machine like it's not about to eat my lunch. To start off, it's putting in water, so I'm thinking it's going to be a real easy repair. I don't show it in the video, but man, I struggled to take off the front panel, which is pretty unusual for me because I've done so many washers. That should be like the easiest part, but I'm just going to chalk it up to brain fog from the cold that I've had for the past couple of days. The issue with this washing machine was that whenever it would go into the spin cycle, it would just short out and cut off. And for those of you watching to learn, usually when that happens, that component that is supposed to kick on at the exact moment the breaker trips is the thing that you're going to have to change. So in this case, it was the motor that was supposed to kick on and spin the tub, but something was happening internally that was causing it to short circuit and trip the brake. And if you watch the channel regularly, there was a washer earlier that I did a few weeks ago that was absolutely freaking disgusting. But fortunately, it had the exact same motor that this thing needed. So I stole from it because it's total loss on account of it being so icky. But I tried to get these belts back on, and that was way harder than I made it look on the video. It really took me about 20 minutes because I was trying to do it with the washing machine halfway tilted back. Nevertheless, after hours of trying to get this thing back to work, I put a load of clothes in it and had it running like a champ. This wasn't the most exciting repair to watch because it was so technically involved, but it was pretty complicated, and I'm just glad I got it back together. Hope you guys learned something. If you did, make sure to support the channel. Thanks for watching.